Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Victus 15. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users report that their HP Victus 15 laptops become excessively hot, to the point of being uncomfortable to touch. This overheating is often caused by dust accumulation or a failing CPU regulator, which can lead to performance issues or, in severe cases, permanent damage if left unchecked. It's essential to address this issue promptly to maintain your device's longevity and efficiency. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, thermal paste, a soft cloth, and a can of compressed air. First, ensure the laptop is powered down and unplugged. Begin by removing the back cover carefully. To do this, locate the screws on the underside of the laptop and gently unscrew them, keeping them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, use a plastic pry tool to gently lift the back cover away, taking care not to damage any clips. Now that you have access to the internals, locate the CPU regulator. This component is usually near the CPU itself and may have a small heatsink attached. To replace it, carefully disconnect any cables that might be obstructing your access, noting where each one goes for reassembly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you have clear access, gently remove the old CPU regulator by unscrewing it. Be cautious and apply even pressure to avoid damaging the surrounding components. After removing the old part, clean the area with a soft cloth and apply new thermal paste to ensure optimal heat transfer. Now, take the new CPU regulator and secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect any cables you had to detach, ensuring they're properly seated. Finally, replace the back cover by aligning it correctly and pressing down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the cover, and your laptop should be ready for a test run. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the vents with compressed air and ensure your laptop is used on a hard, flat surface to promote airflow. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.